Hello everyone, my name is Taudam Vilip Singh and my topic is on comparative SEP analysis of linear and ring energy polydisperse polymers. So before we go into it, my motivation is that macromolecules such as proteins and nucleic acid are of great interest in various fields of science owing to their large masses that can result in a variety of topologies with different shapes and sizes. For instance, the conformation of a protein determines how it would function inside a living cell. So how it falls into their native states, even for DNA, then even for chromatins, and even ring polymers, they are all important. Their shape analysis is of great importance, and that is why this study is being done. So my model is such that the interaction between the monomers have different interaction energies, and these different energies are derived from some sort of distribution. If we look at all the energies, they would have a normal distribution. But again, we define something called polydispersity index. Polydispersity index is nothing but a standard deviation divided by mean. The work I present here has a polydispersity index of only 4%. So it's a very small polydispersity index. So in my simulation, it involves a linear chain as well as a ring chain of monomers 512, n equals 512. So 512 monomers, and they collapse into a globule after becoming pearl-like conformation. So we study the different shapes they fall into by changing the polydispersity index. But what has been presented here is but only for polydispersity index of just 4%. Even though it is just 4%, the curve that I have here is an average of at least 10 replicas. Then it is a matter of the average of 10 replicas, the result. So here we have determined the theta temperature. The theta temperature is the point where a real chain acts like an ideal one. Because this theta temperature, I'm going to use it to rescale my plot. So the determination of theta temperature is important here. So in locating this, what I did is that I find out the radius of gyration for calculate the radius of gyration for different chains like the linear homopolymer and ring homopolymer, and the other two is energy polydisperse polymer. This magenta one is for this linear chain at 4% polydispersity, and the ring one is for this the black one. So I find out this theta temperature, and after locating the theta temperature, I go to this shape analysis. In my shape analysis, I find out 4 different parameters which is of quite importance, and in calculating this shape parameters, I take these eigenvalues v1, v2 and v3. These are the eigenvalues for the RG tensor. RG is the radius of gyration tensor. Okay, so they are the principal moments of the equivalent ellipsoid, and the shape parameters can be characterized using these principal moments. The first one is the sphericity. This sphericity tells us if this polymer is spherical, how it deviates from spherical nature, a cylindricity from a cylindrical nature, and relative this shape anisotropy tells us about how much this polymer shape is symmetrical. Prolatness tells us about how much it is prolat and not. So in short, what I find out is that they are basically almost the same, the energy polydisperse one and the one which is not, but the difference is clearly seen below the theta temperature. Below the theta temperature, it seems that these homopolymers are the homopolymer ones are quite spherical in nature, cylindrical in nature, and even more symmetric, therefore, when compared with the energy polydisperse one. This is done for both, this is seen for both the ring as well as linear, as can be seen from this small study that I did here. So thank you, have a good day.